Today we'll be installing the Polaris 1500 Ranch Armor front bumper. Go ahead and jump into a little bit of the hardware and the tools that you'll need to do this. So you can see this is pretty much what you're gonna get when you get the bumper. It's these 3/4 20 Allens with corresponding nuts and light guards. Now going on to tools here, we got a 1/4 inch ratchet with a 5/32 Allen bit, a 1/4 inch drive deep well 10 mil socket. We have a Torx Plus T40. This is for removing the fair lead. Then we got a 15 mil deep well 3/8 drive socket, 15 mil wrench, 7/16 wrench, pair of channel locks, pry tool, and then as always our faithful 3/8 Milwaukee impact wrench. We are removing the little running lights that come on these bumpers. Now some models have them, some models don't, so this may be applicable to you, it may not be applicable to you. Make sure to retain your OEM fair lead. So now we're reinstalling the OEM fair lead onto our bumper. So you will notice that the electrical wires for the OEM fair lead do not go through this hole. They actually go in the same hole that the fair lead is in. That is the way it is designed. You could tell it's designed that way by the way it looks. So as you guys can see, all we're doing is reinstalling those OEM lights that were on your bumper onto ours. This grate, that is optional if you want to install it. I do it because one, it protects the light, two, I think it looks cool. If I'm being honest with you, that's the biggest reason why I put it on there. And this also goes to show that yes, you can put your OEM lights and that grate in there as well. I know I've had some of you guys say, oh, how do you do that? Well, that's how you do it. You just put it together just like so. All right, so now that we got the grates on, we got the lights on, and we got our OEM fair lead bolted onto our new bumper, what we're gonna do is go ahead and install it. Now this process is definitely a whole lot easier if you got a helping hand. So it's really simple at this point. Do not overthink it. You put the bumper there, your buddy puts the bolts through the holes on the top, and then everybody can let go at that point. And you'll see what I mean here in a minute. Now, the other kicker to having somebody help you too is one, throwing your winch cable through the fair lead, and two, hooking up that automatic stop that Polaris has on their fair lead. So, and that's what I mean by you guys can let it hang after you get the top two bolts in. That right there is handling all the weight of that bumper. Now, all you do is pretty much reinstall the stops for your winch hook, and then you just reconnect your lights. It's as simple as that, guys. Don't forget about your bottom two bolts, obviously, but it's just those 4 bolts that we removed from the OEM bumper, going right back in the same spot that they were, and she's good to go, man. Like I said, relatively easy install, nothing too crazy, nothing too complex. If you guys got any comments, concerns, complaints, leave them down below, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Have a good one.